Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by positioning the dispenser with the feed slot facing you and the adhesive edge of a 3x3 pad toward the lip. Once done, slide the pad in so the sticky strip meets the retention clip. You should feel a subtle click. Make sure the pad sits flat against the platform to avoid skewed feeding. If the dispenser has a spring or guide, engage it now so the pad remains pressed. This small alignment step sets up consistent, single-sheet dispensing. Now prime the mechanism. Grip a corner and pull the first sheet slowly at a 45 degrees angle to separate it from the stack. This prevents double feeds. Once done, press the dispenser arm or button to advance a sheet. You want a clean single release. Repeat the test 3 times, observing tension and alignment. If sheets stick together, fan the pad slightly before reinserting. These checks tune the feed path and eliminate jams, so you get one sheet per action reliably. Finish by using a quick, steady pull to get each note. This keeps the adhesive engaged and prevents tearing. Once comfortable, set the dispenser where it won't be bumped. If you see double feeds or jamming, stop and remove the pad, wipe the dispenser lip with rubbing alcohol to remove residue, and try a fresh pad. The why is simple. Dirt changes friction, causing sheets to cling. Keep the unit out of high humidity and heat to maintain consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.